Anis here to make metadata great again with MetaMagic. The process of uploading and organizing files using metadata is cringe-worthy, even for me, and I love SharePoint. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Here is a typical document library in SharePoint. Say I want to share a company earnings report with my team. So naturally, you would think dragging files here to upload. Let's say I drag a file in, drop it in. But wait, I want it to group like the other files. Unfortunately, we have to click Upload, browse to the file, select our file, hit Open, no to skip the destination folder, hit OK, and we have to tag it with Earnings Report, and this is fiscal year 2018, hit Save. Yikes. Now there are some workarounds, but none of them beat the ability to organize and move files using folders. Imagine doing this for more than one file, the true definition of lost productivity. One day, after helping a team set up metadata columns and mass tag 2,000 plus files over the span of 4 hours, I realized that we were manually translating folder names to meta tags. But that's when it hit me, and it wasn't just a massive headache. Why not automatically tag files based on their location in folders like we were doing manually? Thus, metadata was born. Here is the MetaMagic team site that is accessible for everyone to play with. Now let's take a look at where the magic happens. Simply drag and drop folders and/or files and watch them get tagged for us automatically. I'm going to add 3 meeting files into the meetings folder. Based on their position inside of that folder or subfolders, it's going to get tagged properly. And with a simple refresh, we should see our new meetings tagged properly. And there you go. Want to add new folders? Check this out. I'm going to go back to the folder view, open with Explorer, which everyone usually uses to upload files into SharePoint. And let's drop this Plans whole new folder. And where that's going, I'm going to go ahead and throw another folder inside Campaigns, CG17. Once the upload is complete, we can go back into SharePoint to verify here and refresh the page. And now you'll see that new Plans folder at the top level. Let's just go take a peek and see how everything was binned. So here you got those 3 plans that I just uploaded. And then if you go into Campaigns, you'll see the new one, CG17 at the bottom. You can also look at just FY17 campaigns. And here you'll see CG17 tagged all properly. Here's your logs, here's your references. Here's another example with this custom view called Review Boards. We can peek in here and you can see, oh, it's grouped by month and year. And you can see here's the change management board for August 2017. The secret sauce is in our workflow that auto-tags files based on the folders that they are in. Users simply drag and drop, and that's it. More time for productivity and collaboration. Here's a glimpse at the inner workings, where you see the current path is recorded, and since it's only one folder down, it records the first column value as plans. And if we go back and inspect the campaigns, you can see it goes multiple levels down. So we went all the way down to report. You see campaign CG17 report. Since MetaMagic is a workflow, it is highly customizable and easy to adapt and apply to any document library. Not to mention we left it open source on GitHub. If you're ready for instant productivity in SharePoint for your company, slap this workflow on your document library and let MetaMagic do the rest. We enjoy this opportunity to help boost user productivity as they collaborate on SharePoint with MetaMagic.